Good morning students. In this video I will discuss the exercise of reported speech. The rules which I have told you in the above video, on the basis of that rule I will discuss the exercise of reported speech. Now exercise 1. Jesus Christ said, "We are all sinners." I have told you rules that if universal truth is given in reported speech, then tense of reported speech will not be changed, even though reporting verb will be in past tense. We are all sinners. This is the universal truth. Jesus Christ said that. We is first person. It will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Here Jesus Christ. Then he should be, but we is plural number, so they will be written here. Jesus Christ said that they are all sinners. Here tense of reported speech will not be changed. Now second, the captain said, if rain stops, the match will be played. Answer, the captain said that. Here said will not be changed into told because object is not given in reporting verb. The captain said that the match would be played if the rain stops. In this sentence, two clauses are given in reported speech. Here if is also conjunction and that is also conjunction. So we have to change. First we have to write the principal clause because in principal clause conjunction is not given. After that we will write the if part. Once again, the captain said that match would be, will का past क्या हो जाएगा, would. Match would be played if the rain stopped. Third, my teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. It is proverb, and the tense of the proverb will not be changed. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Only H that is written in capital letter, it will be written in small letter. Galileo said that the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. It is universal truth. So it will not, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. He says the child is crying. Here he says reporting verb is in present tense. In the rule I have told you, if reporting verb will be in present or future tense, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. So the answer of this question will be he says that. Here says will not be changed tells because object is not given in reporting verb. He says that the child is crying. 6. She said that he must respect his parents. Here he is third person, so there will be no change. Tense also will not be changed because must always remain same. Sohan says to his sister. Here object is given in reporting verb. Sohan is subject, says is verb, and his sister is object. So Sohan tells his sister that the sun is setting in the west. This is also universal truth, so there will be no change. Vivek will be saying. Reporting verb, here reporting verb is in future continuous tense, and so tense of the reported speech will not be changed. Vivek will be saying. Saying will not be changed into telling because object is not given in reporting verb. Vivek will be saying that the servant has finished his work. Here tense of reported speech will not be changed because tense of reporting verb is in future tense. 9. She had said Mohan. is absent today. She has said, it is in present perfect tense. When reporting verb is in present perfect tense, present perfect, present continuous, present perfect continuous, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. So she has said that Mohan is absent today ka that day. Ram said to me. In this sentence, reporting verb is in past tense. And here object is also given in reporting verb. So Ram told me, inverted comma remove किया, that he played, because reported speech is in simple present. So simple present will be changed into simple past. So verb first form, it will be changed into verb second form. So Ram told me that he played football well.